Get love.
Ang dami mo sinasabi. Ha? Ano problema mo?
Of course, my
Oh.
mom, my dad, my brothers.
Nakalat ka na naman.
Work hard and do my best
Joshua.
to share the blessings with you guys.
Joshua, nakalat ka na naman.
The best successes that you can share with your family and your loved
Ay!
ones.
No yan, no.
Tony,
No.
and of course to Sevi.
Joshua, no.
I love you guys so much. You are the inspiration
Joshua?
and the motivation.
No, Joshua,
in
no.
everything that I do. Because of you guys, maganda ang buhay ko.
Matandal mo. Akin na yan. Give me that. Give me. Joshua.
We're on our second week with, of course,
Tandal mo.
Bea Alonso. Edward Barber is also there. Alvin Casino and Tita Sandy Andalon. So please guys,
Wow.
first love.